America, in 1920, stood at the edge of transformation. The Great War had ended, and a revolution in production was about to change everything. Walk into a Ford factory in 1913. Building a car took 12 hours. By 1920, that same car took just 90 minutes. Henry Ford's assembly line was simple, yet revolutionary. Each worker, one specific task, repeated with precision, like a relay race where each runner perfects their segment. This changed not just cars, but everything from radios to refrigerators. When Model T prices dropped from $850 to $260, suddenly factory workers could buy what they built. This created a powerful cycle. Mass production led to lower prices, leading to more buyers, leading to more production. The impact spread everywhere. Steel mills roared for car frames, rubber plants expanded for tires, glass factories grew for windshields. Each industry fed the others, weaving a web of growth. Americans reimagined what they could own. The Sears catalog became more than a wish book. It was a shopping list. Department stores opened their doors to everyone. For the first time, ordinary people filled homes with modern conveniences. But prosperity wasn't universal. While cities boomed, rural America struggled. Farmers watched incomes shrink as factory wages rose. Some industries made more than people could buy, creating dangerous imbalances. The 1920s engine of mass production drove unprecedented growth, but ran with strains that would need addressing. This wasn't just about making things differently, it was about transforming the American dream itself.